Hi, I'm David Gray. I'm the president here at the University of Niagara Falls, Canada, Canada's newest university. And I'm here with some really exciting news because I'm here to announce a new program, the Master of Computer Science in Applied Artificial Intelligence. And this program is designed to provide an integrated, comprehensive curriculum to prepare graduates for careers requiring extensive knowledge and expertise in machine learning and data-driven discovery. The program's mission is to provide students who have a background in mathematics and computer science with the opportunity to gain advanced knowledge and competency in the field of applied artificial intelligence. Students will learn how to develop and prioritize machine learning models and their supported data pipelines for batch-based data products, as well as online real-time services. Students will also gain the skills necessary to apply this expertise across a wide range of industries, while at the same time understanding the ethical implications of their work. The program will provide a solid grounding in machine learning, data analytics, and ethical implications of artificial intelligence. Core curriculum will include machine learning, neural networks, large language models, pattern recognition, image processing, and data analytics. The program will share institutional learning outcomes, including a digital mindset, collaboration and problem solving, facility with big data analytics, ethics, and both verbal and visual communication. These topics and others allow students to relate and apply their comprehension of the underlying tenets of the discipline. The purposeful integration of elements of the curriculum allows students to apply the foundational concepts in the fields to contemporary questions and problems. Multiple group and peer teaching observations and opportunities are incorporated, allowing students to become skilled with team-based communication and exercises. This skill is essential in careers in computer science and artificial intelligence. Students develop the intellectual curiosity that leads to lifelong learning, which promotes success in their chosen careers. Through partnerships with incubators, accelerators, and leading businesses, students will have access to both the knowledge and experience they need for success, as well as the rigorous academic preparation aligned with the internationally recognized curriculum standards and consistent with the Ontario Degree Qualification Framework. I'm really excited to welcome you to our beautiful campus here in Niagara Falls and look forward to seeing you really soon.